Welcome. Today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first this is sure our LENOVO Tab P12. So also let's open the box, and here we can find a lot of different accessories. So the first one, this is the charger brick, the black color, the original charger brick. That was all of the specs here, the Lenovo one. Okay, after that we can find here the USB Type-C cable, also in the black color. So the next thing, this is the Lenovo pen. Also I have here the SIM jack tool, the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card here. The next accessory, that says the USB Type-C 3.5mm headphones adapter, and the new tip for the pen here. So as we can see here, we have a lot of different accessories inside of our Lenovo Tab box. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.